So you know what's funny? I bought this motorcycle cover last year. It is, I don't know, it was May? Is it May right now? It may be June when you guys are watching this. But I bought this, as you can see here, November 24th of 2023. And because I bought this and then the bike went in storage, I didn't really need it. So it sat in this here bag all winter. And not that I can return it if I needed to, but I was like, I should probably check this out and see if it actually fits on my motorcycle. Because one of the things that I realized when I bought a Victory Cross Country Tour last fall in November, which is why I bought this, because none of my covers were large enough to fit this bike, because it's a very long and big bike. So if you have a very long and large and wide bike, maybe this is a cover that you guys will be interested in. Now, this is the XYZ, however you want to pronounce it, CTEM motorcycle cover, waterproof outdoor storage bag, right? Fits up to 114 inch. It says Harley Davidson and all motorcycles, basically. It is their triple extra large. Now, this was, as far as I could tell, this was the largest one that I could find. And it says it fits up to 114 inches here. It says size is 116 inches here. Anyways, I wanted the largest one possible so that it would fit. It is currently, they're getting, almost 11,000 reviews here on Amazon Canada, and 4.5 stars. So that's really good. Anyway, this is the bag that it comes in, right? It's not anything overly exciting by any means. It's just a bag in a bag. So my guess is if I tear this open like so, first off, I'll be able to verify that it is actually a bike cover. You do get, I don't know what this is. Thank you for purchasing our product. You're welcome, right? Register your 12-month warranty. Okay, that's cool. 12-month warranty, that you know. And it's probably, I don't know how a warranty works on, to be honest with you, on something like a motorcycle cover, because are they going to warranty it versus tears? Because I don't know, like what happens if a tree branch catches it, or, you put your kickstand through it or something. I don't know. Anyways, and there's a how to install. So before installation, please dry your motorcycle and let the engine cool down. That makes sense, right? So it doesn't melt anything, right? Take the cover out of the bag, unfold it. The XYZCTEM logo is printed on the front of the cover. So that's really the one that always gets me, because I've had a lot of bags, covers for cars and motorcycles, and it's always one of those things where I have difficulty trying to figure out where the front is. Anyways, this is the bag. I'm going to take it outside, and I'm going to see if it fits on the bike. So let's go do that, shall we? All right, guys, bright sunny day out, which is excellent. And here's the bike. It's dirty, which is one of the reasons that I want to start putting a cover on it again, because as you can see, there's bird crap on it. It's full of dust, etc., etc. Anyways, here it is. Looks like it comes in a nice little bag. And if I could ever get it this small again, that would be awesome for just putting it in the trunk. But that's never ever happening, ever again. But all right, we'll try to maybe speed this part up for you. But let's just do this first. So it's not crazy thick by any means. You guys can see it here, right? This is definitely not like a heavy duty rain cover, but so I guess right now the key is, does this fit? And if it doesn't fit, then well, not a whole lot I can do about it, because I bought it like 6 months ago. So it says inside with the wording on it goes up front. So I'll match all these. Got a lot of tie-down straps, so that's good. Oh, the wording is on that side. Here we go. Yes? Yep, there it is. Okay, so here we go. Wording on the front. I'm just gonna give you that and just kind of partially get it in spot. I think the real question, or the real concern for me, is gonna be, just the length in general, right? Because this bike is pretty long, for sure, and wide. So and it may not Yeah, see, that's the issue. Honestly, that's the issue. That's the concern. Like I said, no, it's actually doing pretty good. What I need to do is, I bought a smaller antenna. So what I need to do is find the smaller antenna that I bought, find it, and put it on the bike. So here's definitely the thing. Does it fit? Well, sort of, kind of. Right, you guys can see here. I'll get that down here. Simple answer is sort of, right? Because the only issue that I have with it right now, well, I guess that's not too bad, is it's not crazy deep, right? But I would think it's probably deep enough. Like if I get that down over that, and this down over this stuff, yeah, I guess that's okay. Yeah, all right. I'd say that's okay. Get that out over the exhaust as much as I can. I don't think, honestly, I don't know if you'd get much of a bigger cover than that. And then once you pull the straps closed, pretty much everything would be covered. Yeah. All right. It's, yeah, I don't, like I said, I think this is the biggest one I could find. So the straps, of course, one's going to go through the front tire. Rear one's going to possibly go either through the back tire or just underneath the exhaust. And then the middle strap will go underneath the middle of the bike. So if you do get a lot of rain, or honestly, just even theft protection, because nobody wants to be down on the ground having to undo those if they're trying to get the cover off or trying to see what's underneath your bike, etc., etc. All right. Yeah, that's okay. I'm down. And it is small, which is great for traveling because, you don't want to take up too much space. If this was your one and only home cover, would I want something thicker? Maybe, but I think for most people, it'll be fine. For me, it's mostly just keeping bird crap off the bike if possible and dust. So I think it'll do well. All right, guys, I'll put links to the Amazon page where you can pick up this cover. And if you have a big bike like me, yeah, it should work good. All right, guys, I'm out. Later.